Right, so this video, I'm in my demo account, my student account. The reason why I'm in this account is so that you can't see anything confidential from this feature I'm about to show you. This video is about Google Hangouts. Now, for any of you guys that use WhatsApp or any instant messenger, Facebook Messenger, Hangouts is very comparable to that. But if you've got an institutional login for student and for staff, it's all under the umbrella. Know that it is accessible by the admin, which is really good for safeguarding purposes. But what Hangouts is really good at is instant messaging. It's as simple as that. So it could be I get students messaging me all the time if they are late, they're on the bus, and they want to drop me a message to say, look, I'm going to be late for your lesson, or they might be stuck on some work, or they might just want to have a chat. So it's as easy as clicking on new conversation, and I could look for my name. So at and here I am. So I could contact myself, and then I can start a dialogue. It's self-explanatory, guys. Once you've started a conversation, you can do video calls, you can do phone calls. So rather than using, if you haven't, I know at my desk I haven't got a telephone, but I could actually use with a headset connected to the computer. I could call my students to ask them how they're getting on or why they're absent today. Or you can just use it as a text messaging service, an instant messaging service. But yeah, that is Google Hangouts in a nutshell. If you've got any questions, get in touch.